be ready to fucking fight all day long. They are not going to be happy, and they're going to keep pushing it, keep pushing it, keep pushing it. And so bring a medic and bring.
We're outnumbered, lads. We look to fucking eat.
Yeah. Probably outnumbered by about 2 to 1.
This way, yeah.
Okay, right. And that way we don't need to
We're going to come over here. Knock down this area here. And that will you install.
So the lads who are not in the jeep, I want to drop the fence, but I don't have enough to stop.
We'll put 2 Havoc guys in with you,
And they have to
so as soon as they drop the fence, they can hold the position there, and we'll push up there.
Guns up, guns up, guns up.
Right, hit it to right. Hit. Hit.
No. Did you get a medical degree, yeah? Yeah. Where did you get your medical degree? Just that?
Milsim Red Cross.
Milsim Red Cross. Oh
right.
my god.
We're gonna pull the rest of the casualties further down the road.
Okay, I'm off. Thank you, medic. You stay back and medic the rest, yeah?
Yeah, I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Right, I need 2 people to stand on that gate.
We're still taking fire up there. We're definitely going to lose one. You want it? I'll do it. Wait a sec. I can make it easier for you. I'm gonna point my nose right up to it so you've got some cover, right? Okay. Alright guys, serious, go now, go now. One on each side of me. Go on. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Get sent somewhere. Stay there, stay there, stay there. I'm going over that. Is it good? Go, go, go. Go, 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 Commander, go! Commander, take over.
Are you mounting up?
Yeah,
It's coming down. Oh, in the trees, you see him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Follow him, follow him.
Yeah, I'll get you to the wall. Ready?
Yeah.
1-4, this 1-1. Stay with bear 1, over. Yeah, got him.
That's the medic dead.
Is there a medic dead?
I see him.
Someone keep an eye behind.
We have a medic here.
Do we have a medic?
Yeah.
Yes, we do. He's at the corner of the wall, one guy.
Where is he, lad?
Where about is he? There's one at the corner, one on the ditch behind. Yeah, at the corner, he keeps put. Oh. Fuck. One guy in the ditch, one guy at the corner of the wall. He keeps putting his head out.
We'll deal with these. Watch the 6 though.
You're watching 6, yeah?
I don't even know how these open.
Ah, thanks man. Fuck.
I are.
Here, don't lose it. Do you have a tourniquet? Where?
Here. I think one Sony doesn't like it.
Show medic next time, yeah?
They're definitely coming around now.
We're all up, we're all up.
That's all good. Lads, everyone here is going to Bravo. Yeah, fucking Jeep, let's go.
In the Jeep.
Yeah. Okay, come on, guys.
Here, can you turn the Jeep face that way so we've got cover?
Yeah, yeah. Move with it, move with it, move with it. Move with it, move with it.
What you doing there?
Jesus. There's 3 of them there.
Get in, get in, get in! Oh, you got medicum, yeah.
Got a casualty, yeah?
Lift him into the Jeep and medicum later. Alright, hopefully we don't get into contact out here because that would be messy as fuck. I can peek this corner.
Oh, sweet.
I can't fucking see this.
Yeah, you got him, nice.
There's another one.
Yeah.
If we
One more in the corner, one more in the corner. What's that in command it?
Lads, you want me to push up so you can take him out? He's right side corner. Yeah, if we get pushed from them guys behind, we're fucked.
Fuck.
I don't know, medic, but I'm gonna move on him.
Can I get out?
Both, yeah, you can if you want. Both you have to go on the ground for you.
Wait. Fucking firing. Can someone suppress him from the vehicle? Suppress somebody.
Suppressing fire!
Suppress the corner.
Watch your legs, watch your legs.
Hit. Medic! Good seeing you here.
See you again.
Good to see you again, man. Well, they're all our lads. They're all Russian. This is dark. Oh, keep your hand on me. Fuck. Fuck's sake. Wiped out our entire squad.
Okay.
Good. Catch this guy. Come on, behind us, son.
It's my base.
Oh, yes. And I don't know how to use it. That. Medic, do not die. Your life is more.
No worries, man. You look like Ukrainians. If you treat them sort of
Medic, on me. Cat, get your cat. watch that corner. Okay. Oh my god.
to get this shit back together.
Shit, yeah, sorry. I forgot it was all like that. Yeah, you can just spin that on the ground actually. Okay, on the ground, doesn't matter. Oh, that's fine.
Hold on a sec, Jordan. Hold on, Jordan. Jordan, we'll be back in no time. We're already pushing far. If we go back when you do this, right? We're going forward. That's where we're going. Yeah, but hold tight. We're just we need to get across to that.
Do you want us to mount up?
How many have we got?
We got a lot now. We got reinforcers there.
One half to know.
Have to mount.
So I don't know if you split by sections or whatever you want to do.
We'll-
But it's split in half, yeah.
And one half's going with you. What's the other half doing? Hold here or push back?
The other half is gonna hold here and push back towards the other corner. And take the
Other
ball
corner.
there.
Okay. Right. Do we have any section leaders here? Right.
We might get a bit of...
Okay, all of Atlas into the vehicle. All of Atlas into the vehicle. Right. You want to take all of Atlas? So.
I want some more than that as well.
Okay. You go with them. Go with them.
Back or?
Just mount up. Mount up.
Left-hand side is the only unknown.
You're a medic, yeah? Go with them.
No, does anyone else need medical?
No one knows. Get in. Kieran, go with them, yeah? Yeah. No, you're with me. Stay with me.
Alright, is that all good? You have enough, yeah? Push that corner.
Yeah.
At the very least, hold that corner. If you can, take the wall guard.
Alright.
Good lads. Do we have a medic with us?
Yes.